Hey guys, welcome back to this new video, and in this video let's learn about operators in Python. First let's see the classification and let's see definitions and examples of operators in Python. So the classification goes here. We have arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership and bitwise operators. So let's learn about these one by one with examples and definitions. We have arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So here you can find the examples like the types. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation and floor division. So here are the basic things. You know all these through the basic maths, but we have examples of few here. The exponential means nothing but a power of 2 power 2 which gives 4. So this is what exponentiation is, and the difference between the division and floor division is here. 21 by 5 gives 4.2 as the value. If we use the floor division, it gives 4 as the answer. It ignores the point value, so it makes it an integer. If we use division, we will get a floating point number, and if we use floor division, we will get integer. That's it. Now let's see the examples of arithmetic operators in action. So here I've written some examples using the arithmetic operators which I have explained. So let's run it. So here you can see the output. So main thing is we have to see the division and the floor division. So 40 divided by 4 is 10.0, whereas 40 divided by 4 in floor division is 10. This is floating point number and this is integer. That's it. Now let's see the assignment operators. So the definition goes here. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. So here are the types: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division. Here is an example. Old value is 6. After x plus equal to 2, new value is 8. So here we are adding 2 to 6. That's it. So we can replace this plus sign with these symbols respectively. So it will work accordingly. So now let's jump into the examples. The example of assignment operator goes here. So here you can see I've assigned a value to x as 5, and after that I am printing x, and after an assignment operator I am printing the x again. So let's see the result. Here you can see before assignment operation x was 5, and after assignment operation now the x value is 7 after plussing 2. If we change this number as 3, it will return 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then if we use any other thing like x divided equal to 3, now we can see 5 divided by 3 gives like this. So let's say it's 2. Now it works like 2.5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. That's it. So if we want to ignore this 0.5, we can use floor division. If we use this, it will show only 2, which is an integer. So this is how we use assignment operators. Thank you.